Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to do a short video because I've been having a lot of problems with this Surface. This is like my wife's Surface, and like literally I had so many problems like with the keyboard and not being able to connect to it. So I even talked to like Microsoft support, and they suggested like after 2 hours with all the software issues, it's not a software and it's actually like a hardware. So it's like they're saying like the piece down here is like broken. So one of the things they told us is that we gotta like replace it, and that's gonna cost like $250, and I think that's ridiculous. So we're trying a different solution, which is getting a Bluetooth keyboard, and hopefully that solves it. So we're gonna go see if that's gonna work. This keyboard is about $50 on Amazon, and you can buy it. We're gonna see if this solves the problem, and because this costs $50, and to replace the part down here on beneath like the Surface is about $250. We even tried using another keyboard, and it's not, it magnetizes to it, but that's not how it functions. It does it via Bluetooth. So far, how do we turn this on? But one of the things I need to do is I need to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth is now connected. We're gonna look at this little mini guy. Show Bluetooth devices. Surface integration service. Press this. Saying look for the setup. So device settings. See like the little red thing. Oh, okay. Now it's on. I see the light. See like a blue light. Bluetooth and other devices.
Keyboard right there, first one.
Dude, hopefully this is it. Oh we did it. It works. Okay, so literally you gotta make sure this thing is like plugged in and charging. Make sure after you do that you turn it on, and then add Bluetooth devices on your computer. Solves all your problems.
What am I gonna do with my $150 keyboard?
So what you could do with that, just probably sell it. Anyways, that fixes the problem. See you guys next time. Love you. Bye.